feel if you have what you dream, because feeling what you want might actually make it real, and happiness creates our feeling. Don't focus on the feeling of what you want, 'cause you it's already done. So focus on the feeling of what you want, 'cause you it's already done. And I am living in a place I want to be my choices I make from a future me, and I am feeling how it would be to wake up as a new me, and I am reaching with that conscious feeling. So focus on the feeling of what you want, 'cause you it's already done. So focus on the feeling of what you want, 'cause you it's already done. On the feeling of what you want, 'cause you